With the same trusted and loved airless technology as found in other Quadpack manufactured airless products, the Regula Airless Refill also features a refillable system for optimal sustainability. The Regula Airless Refill has also been designed for high recyclability, featuring components such as this metal-free pump that can be easily recycled and also separated for effective material segregation. For serums, treatments, emulsions and other formulations sensitive to air, the airless protection with the Regula Airless Refill ensures ultimate formula stability, while a restitution rate of up to 98% enables users to access almost all product. Equipped with a refillable system, users can reduce their carbon footprint by removing the inner bottle and pump after use, and replacing these with a new filled unit, while retaining and reusing the outer bottle and cap. It's also available with post-consumer recycled content in the cap and outer bottle. A member of the Regula family and available in 15, 30 and 50 ml capacities, get in touch with your local Quadpack representative or connect with us at hello@quadpack.com to learn more about the Regula Airless Refill.